Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing MA Economics and MEC 105, question number 1. So before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the questions, answers of this assignment. This is a paid service. If you need of this assignments, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below. You can see our number 900-936-8238. So thank you for first note down our number, and then now we are starting the question 1. The question of center state relations has become the focal point of discussion for a number of reasons. Comment on this statement and point out the reasons for conflict between center and state. So this question is based on the economics. So if you need answer of these questions, because you can see the answer is 700 words each. So we have prepared all the types of questions in a 700 words in the by the notes. So this is the, if you need answers, so you can call us, you can message us on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching with this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.